Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the cloud service model in cloud architecture model and infrastructure unit. And the major key components we seen in the previous lecture series, that is actor, service model, and the deployment model. Now we are going to see about the next one, service model. Here we have the problem statement as an online education platform experiences the frequent system failures, high infrastructure cost, and the poor scalability due to on-premise service during the peak student usage. The organization needs a flexible and cost-effective solution to support the rapid growth and continuous service availability. The solution of the problem statement is cloud service model. We have taken the solution in a DT based. So we have 5 stages. First one will be the empathize, system failure, and peak load stress. Second stage will be the define stage. We have to need the scalable, low cost platform. Third one will be the ideate one, cloud-based service model. Fourth stage will be the prototype. Here we have the auto-scaling cloud architecture. Fifth one will be the testing, the continuous availability and the performance. Cloud service model. Cloud service model defines how the cloud services are delivered to the users. They specify the level of user control and the level of provider responsibility. Here it is an architecture diagram. Here in cloud service model we have the 3 types, that is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. First one is the infrastructure layer. It gives the user virtual hardware instead of physical machine. The example will be the Amazon EC2 virtual servers. Second one, platform layer. Developers can build, test, and deploy the application without worrying about the servers or the operating system. The example is Microsoft Azure Application Services. Third layer is an application layer. It is the users simply use the application, no installations. The example is Google Classroom. First one, infrastructure as a service. The pay as you use the model. It will provide the virtualized computing resources over the internet. It includes the virtual machines, storage, and the networks. The user control is operating system and then application. Here we have the diagram for the infrastructure as a service. Here we have the physical service and the data storage services. And then it will communicate through the client. Infrastructure as a services. It provides controls, hardware, virtualization layer. The real-time example is Amazon EC2, Google Compute Engine. Third one is Microsoft Azure VM. And then infrastructure layer, key characterized is highly flexibility and scalability. It is suitable for the system administrator and it enterprises with the custom OS needs. It supports the on-demand resource provisioning, elastic scaling. Second model is platform as a service. It is a development platform for the building applications. It includes the OS, programming languages, runtime environment, and development tools. The user focuses on the application logic. And then it provides the manages the infrastructure and an application system. The real-time example will be the Google Application Engine, Microsoft Azure Application Services. The key characteristic of the platform as a service is it simplifies the application development, faster deployment, automatic scalability, no need to manage the service, and ideal for application developers and the startups. Third layer is software as a service. It delivers a ready to use the software over the internet. It's accessible through the web browser, no installation and the maintenance required. It provides the manages application, platform, and then infrastructures. The real-time example is Gmail, Google Documents, and then Salesforce. And the key characteristic of the software as a service will be user-friendly, subscription-based access, automatic updates, high availability. It is suitable for the end users and the businesses. And then we have an assessment question, that is each cloud service model gives a we have to find which model it is. I provide a virtual server, storage, and networks. You install and manages the OS. The answer of the first question will be the infrastructure as a service. Thank you.